Sight words. A sight word is any word that is known by a reader automatically. Sight words are the basis behind the whole word approach to reading education. Use this sight words: and, has, have, his, is, this, is, was, for, on, go, to, the, her, here, there, put, but, you. Well done! It's correct. Well done! It's correct. Well done! It's correct. The television is on the table. Well done! It's correct. Is there a bus stop? Well done! It's correct. I have fruits. Well done! It's correct. This cap is for Marcus. Well done! It's correct. Shreya goes to the hotel. Well done! It's correct. The juice was in the glass yesterday. Well done! It's correct. This is her skirt. Well done! It's correct. Put the water in the bottle. Well done! It's correct. This is a cycle. Well done! It's correct. The fish is in the water, but the flower is on the water. Well done! It's correct. The parrot is on the tree. Well done! It's correct. This is a garden. Well done! It's correct. Here is the pen on the letter cover. Well done! It's correct. Sonu and Meenu have comic books. Well done! It's correct. A bat and a ball. Well done! It's correct. This cap is for Marcus. Well done. It's correct. I go to the temple with my relatives. Well done. It's correct. Here is the bat with the ball. Well done. It's correct. This is his pencil. Well done. It's correct. They go to the zoo. Well done. It's correct. We go to the beach. Well done. It's correct. These vegetables are for the hotel. Well done. It's correct. She goes to her native. Well done. It's correct. This is her laptop. Well done. It's correct. Put the slipper on the stand. Well done. It's correct. This cap is for Marcus. Well done. It's correct. Felix has a lunchbox. Well done. It's correct. Is there a shopping mall on the road? Well done. It's correct. Have you a cot? Well done. It's correct. This is a carrot. Well done. It's correct. Put the ink in the pen. Well done. It's correct. Apple is a fruit, but lady's finger is a vegetable. Well done. It's correct. A dog and a cow. Well done. It's correct. This is a baby. Well done. It's correct. This is his scale. Well done. It's correct. She goes to her native. Well done. It's correct. Animals have 4 legs, but birds have 2 legs. Well done. It's correct. Is there a buffalo? Well done. It's correct. The slate is on the bag. Well done. It's correct. This is a museum. Well done. It's correct. He goes to the church. Well done. It's correct. Ram is running, but Sam is walking.